crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree bringing you free crafty fun all year round, and I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. I spent it in Barcelona and also with my family. It was super fun. But anyway, I decided to do a bonus video this week because it's the holiday season and this is fun. So this is a hexagonal gift box. It's 6-sided and has pictures of snowflakes, reindeers, Christmas trees. Also has a gift tag over here. This is the Christmas tree one, and then I have an ornament gift tag as well. So to make this, I'm going to provide a free template for you guys that was designed, and you can just go in the video description, click on it, download the PDFs, and then you can make it follow along with the video, and yeah. But before we jump into the video, if you are new to this channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button. Also turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. I post new videos all year round, wouldn't want you to miss them. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the hexagonal box, you're going to need these templates that you can find on my website. I'll leave a link in the video description. All you have to do is go and click on it and download it. And of course, you'll need a pair of scissors to cut the pieces out, as well as a standard size hole puncher, some glue, and a ribbon to tie it all together. So let's start by cutting all of the pieces out. So now that I have all of the pieces cut out, I'm going to use my hole puncher to punch holes everywhere where I see an asterisk. So just put it right there and punch it. And we're just going to go around and do that to this one and these ornaments here. Now for the gift tag ornaments, I kind of want to glue them together first because the holes need to align with each other. So I'm going to take this one first and then dab a little bit of glue on the back. Put them together. And then bring in my hole puncher and punch a hole right at the center here. There's one. And now let's work on the ornament. Same idea. Flip this one around. Put it right on top. And grab my hole puncher and punch a hole right at the center. So now we have our two gift tags. And now we're going to work on folding these pieces. So I'm going to use this one first. And basically wherever you see a white tab, you're going to fold back. So we're doing mountain folds here. So we're folding away from us. Just crease that in. There's a tab here, one over here, this one right here, one above the tree, and once I have the tabs folded down, I'm going to fold along the sort of the edges. Fold that down. Do the same thing here. And now I'm going to fold horizontally above these pictures. And for these diagonal lines over here, I'm going to fold a valley fold. So that means I'm going to fold towards myself like this. So now we've got the first piece done, and we're going to move on to the second piece, and it's the exact same idea. Every time you see a tab, you're going to fold away from you or create a mountain fold just like that. And then on the diagonals, you're going to fold towards yourself or a valley fold like that. And now we have our second piece completed, and we're going to work on this hexagon here. There is only one tab for the hexagon, so I'm going to fold that back, doing a mountain fold or folding away from myself. So now we're going to put these two pieces together. So basically I'm going to dab a little bit of glue to the right of this stocking. And then place this right on top like this. So now we got one nice long piece. Now you notice that there are two reindeers. This one is in a red border, this one is in a green border, and underneath the green border is a missing tab. And that is where this hexagon is going to go. So we're going to dab some glue on the hexagon tab, like that. And then put that reindeer right on top. And this is going to form the base of our box. So now here's where the real fun begins. We're going to take this and we're going to wrap it around like that. And dab a little bit of glue to the snowflake tab. And then glue that on. Right next to the Christmas tree. So now from the bottom of the box, we're going to put a little bit of glue on each one of these tabs here. Like that. And now we're going to put the base down and try to align it as much as possible from the bottom. Another thing you can do is to flip the entire box around and then stick your hand in from the top to adhere the tabs to the bottom of the base. Or you can do a little bit of both. I like to start from the bottom first and then go from the top. Now let's take the tabs up here and we're going to dab glue on each one of these tabs. I like to go one at a time so it's not a complete mess. And we're just going to put that together. So the stocking and the ornament, glue that together. Let's glue the reindeer and the ornament. And finally, this last tab right over here. And now let's take our ribbon and we're going to slip it through these holes over here. So I'm just gonna go like that. In here. And right before I do the last hole here, I'm going to put in my gift tag. Again, you can pick both or you can pick one. I think I'm going to do the Christmas tree because it's a little bit more festive in my opinion. So I'm going to put the Christmas tree on like this. And so it just dangles on the side. Super cute. And then finally this last one over here. Slip it right through. And tie it together with a bow. And your hexagonal gift box is complete. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you had fun making that hexagonal gift box. If you like that, be sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. If you'd like to further support this channel, be sure you check out some of the swag that I have. It says "Hello my crafty friends" on it. Has t-shirts, towels, mugs, things like that. Everybody needs a mug, alright? But anyway, I really appreciate your support and I will see you guys next time. Bye!